You may sit down. Please take your seats. Please take your seats. You're blocking other people. Your Excellency, the grandfather of the East African region, peacemaker, we are very happy to have you here in your capacity. Please allow me to recognize some of the regions that are here in this accountancy forum. We have people from your place, the Republic of Uganda. Please stand up, people from Uganda. We have some people from Kenya. Please, people from Kenya, stand up. We have some people from Tanzania. Our Tanzania brothers and sisters, please come to stand up. We have people from Burundi, Your Excellency. We also have people from Somalia. Please stand up. I saw some people from Zambia. Are they still in the room? Yes, we have people from Zambia. And Your Excellency, obviously we have people from Rwanda. You don't have to stand up. Have I forgotten anyone? Hey, we have somebody from the UK. Very good. Your Excellency, allow me to introduce some people. Amidst us, we have the Mayor of Rusizi. Please, we are blessed by the Mayor of Rusizi. We have the Vice President of the Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Rwanda. We have the Accountant General with us. We have the CEO of the Institute. We have the immediate past Auditor General. Your Excellency, if I try to introduce everyone, we may not get time. Allow me to let you address your people, Your Excellency.
No, that you do not have a problem. I think I can remove my mask. No. First of all, I forgive you for having regret. This morning, I was in northern Uganda, in the district of Kapshora. Then from Kapshora, I went to Chisoro. Then from Chisoro, Mainduku, government called me because we had a private meeting. When I was at the State House, I received a call from the CEO. Where is the CEO? He told me, but after the meeting, you can come and meet your accountant. So I'm here now. You know, accountants in Uganda were part of the liberation. When we were fighting in the bush, we had accountants. Because every bullet was accounted for. Accountants are very important. That's why Mama is my personal accountant. When I sell my account, she said, "Oh no, bring that money." And they separate the money for the family and then the one for the national resistance movement. So, crack for yourself for being good accountants.